Attention, Helldivers. Please direct your attention to the nearest monitor for this mandatory broadcast incoming from Super Earth.
We heroes bring peace, man and democracy. We keep the galaxy safe. Oh, evil impeached, I fear no god or beast. All heroes with capes on every planet. Our bombs bringing hope. These bullets are balance on casting my foe. Let's fucking die. Into hell we dive. Democracy arrives to whatever freedom requires. Say farewell and cry. Super Earth will never die. We are the Helldivers. Those villains, they need a taste of liberty. I think it's time to get lost. Join up with me. I'm sure that we will be perfectly safe, so we extract.
Pelican-1 landing in progress.
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. 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 Smash, reply.